A very good morning to everyone. Rise like the sun and spread happiness like the rays. Get on with your day. Don't forget your health. Listen to your inner child and find enjoyable ways of being fit and happy. Achieve peace of mind. Happiness comes from a calm mind and meditation, which is very important. Once you're relaxed and happy, you can spread that joy around. Your happy vibe will attract the right people and opportunities towards you. Travel to the unknown destinations. Sometimes the journey itself may be worth it, totally. A beautiful destination is an added advantage always. Enjoy nature as it is a definite way to relax your mind, body and soul, which is very important in life. Spread the love and happiness. This is astrologer Tanuj Lalchandani signing off.